Okay. And then we'll just do this, and we'll kind of slowly pitch down like that. Nice. And also I was thinking of doing this to make it a bit longer, stretching it by 200%. Nice. I think that deserves a bit more reverb, don't you? Let's see what we can do with this to add more reverb on. Bounce, 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 bounce. Where's my bounce? Bounce, selected clips only. To a new track, down there, thank you very much. Solo. And then I am going to reverb that up like crazy. Take all the dry down, keep the wet up. And then bring it back. Nice. I'm even tempted to bend the reverb. Hang on, let's see if we can do that. So let's multi-track mix down time selection. And this is going to be a bit of pitch bending going on in the wonderful waveform view. Let's chop that because the audio, as you can see from Spectral, ends about there. Do a nice little fade like that. And then we're going to go to effects, time and pitch bender like this. And just caught out of the corner of my eye, I can see Isabella is encouraging me to move on to laughs and screams next. See, I'm just bending the pitch at the end. Dark.